Hey friends, Sarah John, Teddy Bear Nurse.
And we hope you're really excited to follow along with us. We're using our markers, like always, to draw and color with, but you can use whatever you have, like crayons or colored pencils. And what did we name our teddy bear nurse?
Cuddles.
Cuddles, yeah,
Yes.
that's a perfect name.
Perfect.
All right, you ready to start?
Let's do it.
Let's start with the nose. We're gonna draw a little oval in the middle of our paper, but towards the top, so that we have room for Cuddles' body down here.
Okay.
And we could color that in. And we're gonna draw the mouth. We'll draw a straight line down first. Then we're gonna draw it curving out to the left and also out to the right. Okay, now for the eyes, we're gonna draw a circle this size and a circle the same size over here. And then we could draw a little highlight in the top left of each circle. And one on the right side. Let's color in the big circle, but leave the little one white. Now we could draw the shape of Cuddles' head. We're gonna start over here, draw the cheek, and then draw the chin, and then draw another cheek on this side. And then up here, let's draw a curve going up and over. Oh, I'm gonna stop halfway though. I'm gonna draw a little hair or fur, and then we're gonna continue and draw the rest. But you could just continue, draw the whole thing over. Yes. And then keep going. And then we're gonna draw the, yeah, I like it. That's a little bump. His forehead.
Yes.
It's awesome. Yeah, perfect. Now we're gonna draw the ears, our big teddy bear ears. And we're gonna draw a big teddy bear ear over here too. And we can draw the inside of the ear also, just the same shape, but smaller.
Mine looks more like a mouse right now.
Mine kind of does too. Okay, but they're bears. We're gonna color them brown at the end. Okay, that'll help. Now we're gonna draw the scrubs, or our nurse's uniform. We're gonna draw a square shape right here, except we're not gonna connect it to the chin. So 2 lines down, and then the bottom line connecting for the bottom of the shirt. Yes, and then we're gonna draw, over here we're gonna draw a sleeve. And a sleeve on the side. Okay, now let's drop down here and we'll draw the pants. We'll draw 2 lines coming down for the legs. And then right here we're gonna draw an upside down letter V. Then we can connect the bottom. And let's draw our nurse shoes. I'm gonna draw a curve coming out to the left and also coming out to the right. Ooh, these are big shoes. And then we're gonna draw the heel coming straight down on the inside. And then right here we can connect those lines together for the bottom of the shoes. And we can also add another line for the soles on the shoes. You gotta have really comfortable shoes.
Yeah.
Because they're on their feet like 24/7.
All day.
All day long, every day. And then we can also add more details, but let's leave that off and come back up here and we'll draw the arm for Cuddles coming in and connecting to the side. And we can do the same over here.
Whoa.
Big strong arms. I like it.
A lot bigger.
No, it's awesome. Okay, then we can add a little thumb here too. Okay, it just looks like a
What
bear
if I
wearing.
made that his thumb?
You could do that. Yes, I like it. Yeah,
Kind of.
and then same on the other side. Okay, now let's make these really look like scrubs. We're gonna draw the letter V right here for the neck. And we gotta add a pocket on both sides. We can draw the top of the pocket. Maybe we could also add the whole thing. We'll draw the bottom coming around on both sides. They need a lot of pockets. They put a lot of stuff in their pockets.
Yeah.
A lot of good, helpful things like Band-Aids and
Fruit snacks?
fruit snacks. Yeah, maybe when you're hungry. I'm gonna add pockets to the side of the pants too. Then we can also wrap a stethoscope around Cuddles' neck. We're hanging around the shoulders. So we're gonna draw one side coming down over here and another side oh, this side over here, let's make it longer. And then add a circle at the bottom. That's the part put on there just
Chest.
to listen to the heart and also lungs.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna draw the part that goes in the ears. We'll draw an upside down letter U. And then we could draw the little earpieces coming in.
Perfect.
Yes, and we're not completely done. We still need to
Color it.
Yes, this part will fast forward, but you can pause the video and color your drawings too. You ready to speed things up?
Let's do it.
Austin, we did it! We finished coloring Cuddles and he turned out awesome.
Yeah, you did.
Especially love yours.
Thanks. Yours too.
Thanks. I also added hearts. You could add whatever you want. You could draw an entire background.
And we also added a shadow.
Yeah, down here at the bottom to make it look more 3D.
Yeah. You can also change the colors of the bear.
Yeah, you could color it any way you want.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing with us.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun and we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.